In this video, I will show you how to change the internal batteries in this Dodge Caravan key fob. This key fob takes two of these CR 2016 batteries, and you can change them yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. Just get yourself two of these batteries. If you want to get it online, I will put a link in the YouTube description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then just go ahead and follow along. First step is to look to the bottom right of the key fob for that little slot or indentation. We're going to put a flathead screwdriver in, hold the device firmly, and twist. And with just a little pressure, we'll start to create an opening, and then we can work our way up that opening, twisting more until it comes apart easily in our fingers. Now, there are two batteries stacked on top of each other there. You can use your flathead screwdriver to get under the first battery. I like to just go in with my fingernail and just get under it and lift. Put that to the side, and this one's a little harder to get at, but I like to push on one side so the lip of this battery is exposed. See that? Push that up, and then same thing, flathead screwdriver or fingernail, just get beneath it and lift up, and then once it's up a little bit, pull out the rest of the way. Really easy. There it is, CR 2016. Go ahead and take a new one. Positive side goes face up. Click it into place. Other battery, same thing, face up. Right on top, click it into place. Now just reattach and squeeze that back together, and you are done. If you found that video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or comment. Thank you so much for watching.